Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Advanced Notification Add-on. Now this add-on will boost the customer experience with its opulent notification feature and sends notifications in user account on storefront itself for various events like order status change, shipment creation, etc. So now you can see that I'm at the storefront right now, and on the top at the left hand corner I have this notification icon here that I've set here using the layout in the title bar there. And if I tap on that, this will bring up the complete list of notifications, be it the custom notifications sent by the admin or the notifications for the various events like the order status change, shipment creation, etc. All will be listed here within this particular section here. And if I don't want to allow these notifications, I can tap on this particular notification icon here. Otherwise, if I want to make all of them as red, then I can tap here on the all red button for the same. Now the store admin also gets the option to get notified at the backend for any new order creation, the RMA request generation, etc. by the customer. The admin can select the events on which the notifications should be sent out to the customers or received at his end as required. And kindly note that this particular add-on is well integrated with the CS Cart and the CS Cart multi-vendor as well. Now the admin has the option to get notified when an order created from the storefront, an RMA request has been generated by the customer, a review has been added to the order, product, category or testimonial by a user, or a user gets registered. Similarly, the admin can notify the customers when the order status has been changed, shipment has been created by the admin, RMA request has been declined, or a gift certificate has been created by the admin, what we say as a post has been added to their orders, or user group status has been changed there. So all in all, this particular plugin will help or will boost the customer experience with its notification feature, as I've already told you, and would send the notification in the user account on the storefront itself for various events. And similarly, the admin will also be getting the notifications in the admin backend for the different notifications there. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let me show you the notification at the admin's end. So for that, what I'll do is I'll be placing one order here. So I'll add this particular product into the cart, and then I'll be making a checkout thereafter. So here I'll be tapping on the checkout button. We are on the checkout page. Here I'll be selecting continue after selecting my shipping method, and then I'll just go to the other payment methods. Here I'll choose cash on delivery for the time being, and I'll tap here on the submit my order button, but I'll be accepting the terms and conditions of the store there and tapping on the submit my order button. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel in the meantime while this particular order is getting placed. So I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password. And after I've logged into the admin backend panel, we'll be able to see one notification icon in the admin backend panel as well. So from here, the admin would be able has the option to get notified when an order has been created from the storefront, or an RMA request has been generated by a customer from this storefront end, or a review has been added to an order, product, category or a testimonial, or a user has just registered. So all of those notifications would be visible to the admin under this notification icon here. So now let's see that you can see that the order has been placed here, right? Now if I refresh this particular backend page and I tap here on this notification icon, you can see that an order has been created with the order ID 293. So from here, the admin can easily now with the particular order as per their own requirement there. Now let me show you how this particular notification would be visible to the customers at the storefront under this particular section here. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just be changing the status of this order to processed. All right. And now let me take you to the front end and let's refresh this page once. And now if I tap here on this particular notification icon, you can see that the order status for the order 293 has been changed from open to processed there. Now if I change it from processed to any other status as well, then another notification would be sent out to this particular user who has who is logged into his account there, and he'll be able to view the particular notification from this particular section itself, right? Let's refresh this page once, and let me change it to from process to complete, and let's come back to this particular section, and let me refresh the page here, and let's tap here on this notification icon. Now you can see that from open to process we received the particular notification, then from process to complete we have received another notification. Now if I want to view a particular notification, then I can tap here on the link that I have received within the particular notification there, and to mark this as read I can tap here on the got it option as well. So that was the customers front, this one, how the customers can receive the notification within this notification section that we have created. So these are the advanced notifications there, whenever whenever what we say as the order status gets changed, that order status is visible to the customers within this particular section. Whenever a shipment would be created, that particular notification would be visible to the customers here, or whenever an RMA request is declined or a gift certificate has been created by the admin, the particular notification would be sent out to the customer within this particular section itself. Or when a post is added to their orders, or whenever a user group status has been changed, at that time as well the customers will receive the notification within this particular section here. So today I'm just showing you these a slight bit of the functionality there by showing you the order status change that has been done by the admin. The same is visible here, and after we place the order at the storefront I showed you how the same is visible to the admin within the notification section here, right? So on the order creation at the storefront by the customer, the admin receives the notification whenever the RMA request has been generated by the customer, or a review has been added, or a new user gets registered. All of those notifications would be sent out to the admin within this particular section here for the notifications there, and the admin can mark any of the notifications as read by tapping the all read to mark all of the notifications as read, or can allow or disallow the notifications by tapping this particular notification icon there. Now the admin would also be able to send custom notifications to the customers. So to send the custom notifications, what you need to do is you need to go to marketing, and here you have to go to advanced notifications. Let's go to advanced notifications. I've already created one notification here. To create a new one you can tap here on the add custom notification. So I'll just edit this particular notification that I've already created. So here I've set the subject as bumper sale. I've set the target URL. If the customer taps on the notification, he'll be redirected to store.webkul.com. I've set a small description for this, and this is the content section here. If I want, I can add an image to this section as well by tapping here on the insert image. We can tap here on the browse, and for example let's choose this particular image. I'll insert it up. Then we have the name, and here what the admin can do is he can add the users to whom he wants to send this particular notification to, and from here he'll find the complete list of registered users. He can you just need to select the particular user to whom you want to send the notification, and then tap on the add users button, and that particular user would be added. And for the time being, let me tap here on the cancel button. So I've already selected James Horton there, and then what you need to do is after you've created this particular custom notification that you want to send, and you have added the customers to whom you want to send this particular notification to, you just need to tap here on the send button, and the particular thing would be, or the particular custom notification would be sent out to that respective customer. Now if I refresh it on the front end here and I tap on the notification here, you can see the bumper sale notification is visible here. If I want, I can tap here on the read more to read more. Here's the description there that we had set up, the image that we had set up for the custom notification there, and here's the bumper sale is available on product purchases. Now if I tap on that, then we'll be redirected to the particular link that we had added there, that was store.webkul.com. So the particular store.webkul.com page has been opened up there. So that's how we can send the custom notifications as well to the customers there very easily. Now let me show you the initial configuration settings for this particular add-on. For that, what you need to do is you need to navigate to add-ons and manage add-ons, and here you have to search for advanced notifications. So we already have the advanced notification here that allows the notifications to admin or the customers at various events, and here you need to tap on the settings option. Now here we have a few settings. For example, notify customer on following. So here you can select the order status. So at the time of order status change, the customer would be notified using the notifications there, automatic notifications. At the time of shipment creation, at the time of RMA creation, at the time of discussions there, or notify the customer when a post has been added onto their orders. Notify the customers when their user group status has been changed. So these are the notify customer on the following options here. So you can choose any of the options from here. The same goes with the notify admin on the following things. So here you can choose order creation. RMA request has been generated by the customer. A review has been added by the customer on order, product, category, or testimonials, or a user has registered on the storefront there. So on these statuses, the particular thing would be sent out to the admin there. So the admin has the option to notify the customers on the following, and notify the admin on the following. And we also have the notification timeout. So here you have to enter the time interval in hours after which the notification will be considered as seen automatically, and the value should be in integer. And after making these configuration settings, you need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. Now here you can basically allow or disallow the notifications as a customer, or you can mark them as all as read, or you can tap here on the got it to mark a particular notification as read. So if I tap here on the got it, it would be marked as read. Otherwise I can go with the all as all read, and the notifications have marked as all have been read there. Now if I want, I can allow or disallow the notifications by tapping here on this icon, and you can see that the notifications have now been disabled there. So now I won't be receiving any notifications. To receive the notifications, I just need to enable it up, and if I now tap here, the notifications have been enabled there. So yes, that was much about the CS-Cart Advanced Notification add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well.